How may I help you?
Right, my name is Henry.
Okay.
Mr. Santis' first son. I'm here to see my stepmother.
You mean what, Mr. Santis' first son?
Yeah, came from the United States. I'm to see my stepmother.
So how did you get to know her, yeah?
First of all, who are you?
Oh my.
Who are you?
I'm your stepmother's husband.
My stepmother had a boyfriend or a husband?
Or husband to be.
Wow. Okay, by the way, you know what? I'm not here for that right now. I just want to make sure that I see my dad's properties, everything in the rooms. How many rooms you got over here?
You got like 7 bedrooms here.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know you and you don't know me. This is our first time meeting.
Okay.
So I'm not sure I can just allow you, and besides your stepmother is in a critical condition. So you can't see her.
Why not?
Why
That's
not?
my stepmother. So first of all, who are you again?
So what am I? I just told you, bro. So why are you trying
You
to?
can't just cross my path like that, you know, feel me? Because my dad mentioned everything about this house to me, that come down here in Ghana, make sure everything's doing good. So what the fuck you telling me that I can't see my stepmother?
No, why do you have to use the F word for me? You know me from nowhere.
Bro, I don't fucking know who you are. You want to know what my real character me right now? I'm not sure what's something right there.
No,
let me see my stepmother right now.
Listen.
Listen, I don't get shit. Let me see my stepmother
This
right now.
I just told you.
We got continue right. Let me see my grandma right now. Let me see my stepmom right now.
No, bro. Hold it.
First, who the fuck are you, bro?
No, who the fuck the hell
You
are
guys
you?
are family, bro?
Do you know how I got your stepmom? Who's to be my wife in future, yeah?
I think we're fucked. I know my stepmom is married, my father.
And your dad is dead, yeah?
My dad is dead, so what? And so what?
So I don't know you, bro.
Well, I heard about you already, but we're not right now. Just let me see what you got in the room. Let me see all the rooms, how many people live over here, and I'll talk to their asses. Because you are out the picture right now.
Bro.
Because I heard about you that you are an eater. You
talking
are
about
a trickster. I just want to see my stepmom right now and talk to her ass because you are a trickster.
You dizzy, man.
What the fuck am I?
Yo, man, you're crazy, bro.
Listen, bro.
Yo.
I know you're a freaking trickster right
No.
Who is here? Anybody in the house?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's up, my brother?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up,
What the
man?
fuck is going on here? I've seen you in the camera with my dad before.
Yeah, I see you so before, so you know me.
I do know you, bro.
Yeah, okay.
What's going on in the house, bro?
Yeah, this is your room.
My room?
Yeah.
What the fuck that was talking like that bullshit, right?
Master, come here.
I'm gonna cut his head up right now. What the fuck is that motherfucker doing?
Carry him.
No, I don't know this guy.
Blah. Papa Nabano.
No.
This is my house.
This is your house.
This is my fucking house.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody trust my papa.
So,
like, you know what?
Now, so relax. This is your house. You are come like home.
Show my room, motherfucker. Let me go take a nap. Show my fucking
this is your
room.
room. What is your bag?
Right there, bro. Go get my bag. Come on, hurry up.
Okay.
Come get my bag. Come on, get out of here, bro. Take my shit. Come on.
Okay.
What the fuck?
So relax. You okay? Relax. This is Kumasi. You are coming. You are back home.
Listen, I don't give a fuck. I'm on that property. You understand? I'm gonna show all the rules. My fiano. That's for me. You understand? That motherfucker ain't gonna leave.
Yeah.
He gonna leave.
Yeah, you gonna leave.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Get my room right
Yeah,
now.
you
Fuck my room. Come on, show my room.
This is your room.
Right now, go.
This
Go
is
show my room.
I said this is your room.
Alright, let me leave.
Masa.
Take my room.
This is your room.
Bro, don't fucking play my fucking with me. Get my room. Get my room.
This is your room. This is your room. Are you Papa Nabano?
Listen, don't fucking play me.
Alright?
Alright, this is my father's house. And I'm responsible for this house.
Are you American?
Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't fucking blow her my fucking home. Show my fucking room. I don't fucking know my mom. I know my auntie. My stepmother right here, she's sick. I'm here for my dad's property. So get your ass, check my room, let me take a nap. I'm tired. Where y'all go?
Oh, get out here, Sana.
Okay. And then they are saying,
Okay.
no one man, listen, no one man a guy be a bar. Na guy ne kasa mu nyina for America na area na ba. O say, okun no way Mr. Santi.
Oh.
Ne papa no no. Na o say a friend Dr. Kennedy.
Na Kennedy.
I didn't say Henry so Dr. Kennedy.
Sir.
Na him me dey me say Kennedy Henry me dey me.
Me kubana.
They will see kasa ye you know ba na ma work so bad. It's become a church talk life now we there the talk na no dey.
One day me kunu kra ti ase no. The rough or come into me grand cabin.
What say, Chichina or show? And I'm saying there be all critical condition where wine. I didn't say jumping into somebody's house, no, because how dare me on any papa properties were back, none papa man address.
That's why our bag a fine pa.
Now, only my swagger the Ben. Or Ben one say, oh, this guy I know him. I know swagger. Like on in a casada.
Video qua my swagger on a casa. So on a boy with fiance and swagger anymore.
Hey, now the guy the year one. Me sure them is soon. Say Ebia win H1. Anna, a who condition to walk off will be say on me to say papa because Ghana debate me cast London America since year whatever because I sent me for year me Holland boy any. It's your main in down.
Maybe you can't. What's the fake here?
Send it to me for London accent and any one.
What's me fake? Or not come on your machine. I so bet me a fake.
Oh, Debbie, any day way back on. Or your cocoa, or like what Jim Cacra.
They see an uncassa, the answer menity. Me, like me who know. And also, or papa, we are no crying one back. Or this kind of Sunday and I'm here, BBR. Na video call into me no no na yakasa.
What say bia say wa macho kakra. Kasa say
Brofo no kan won sheda nti. Me yenti obapa ti asakra me de na me ntimi sheda. Ene ni nkomo sa.
Aya kentina wo ho wusu. Di ade nko na ha wa ba. No wa se kentina ho wa wusu. Na wa be ma.
De ekoso na ya na ha me ho.
Aha wo na ekoso anka wo nua no be fi.
Ase wo yo ba nti ase nsem na ye wo hinti. Nti ana wo pese wo beti nsem bi. But me ha me de ekoso me ha na ye me ya. Se na nakua ma ne ho kwan ma sa no ma wi nyina toto no. Ma kwa akoto no. Ko no ne ho ye de ye bataja enye sa ni frande sa isi a wo hu hwe bibia disemia me koyi man koto be ma no mum de ana wo su fa we ma me fa we ma sa nti de esi bia no kore ntro bi enim na de ka ho ne se o ka kire me se me mpa wo chew e ma no ene se de na ye ko ho no se de ni kunu no kan se doctor se
enye ni kunu ka se de ne mpna na me mfa akua ma wade me mfa ne ma branche na wade
ma me ye ma me kan ma se de ne mpna no kai se doctor se onna kakra ma ne nsore de ben no e o si na enokre na enokre se doctor se onna for some time ma ni mpi
ka doctor se enokre na wonna no da na ye de na ni ne te ye na aye gwo na ehwe wono na aye gwo na o de shawo no
sa no ka kire me se me pa o chema e ma no na de course bi anso wote ye na ebi ase ni kunu kakasa bi anye da me pa che o ma te de ho no
no kura na me mpa eti me de o kan ye no eti na me se ho na doctor say edi wadi su na waje no ye tufu na wonte no kwa anti ade eno no wa ko fa de wo pe fofola de ekoso de ayewo a wodi si wo no na nka minim se ne wo su kwa kopa bia be ka de wanya ho se wo de wo ko fa de o sa ba wie wa brabo wo ko fa de o be sa wie wa brabo aka ho ahoda sa so de yin oba ne ho ya ne de ahoda sa no ene de yin adai ade na be ma be ye wo nyame adom papa iko onya se me nka se e me de se nyame na akunu wo de nyame adom woni netie ofiri mu pa anya wa bro hwe de nti se ode ama wo eti wo presa agede eni o
woni se wabetino fi ha wa make a bia na wada no me de mitimi pio mitimi bia betna tita wona ma no so de call asesam ho no de call ene abesenti se minim se so aga na e best friend se pantan se di
eni ka cha na se ma so
no me akua
ado ba na ye bibia na
dabi agenda boy ndem de ye no so de ye me no amam suru
wo ye me ba o me kunu ba no
so my stepmom and I'm saying that we are making a say my wife to be honest. So what the fuck am I trying to do? If do I'm pull it straight on me and so wait yo.
What you cry man papa?
That's all papa so.
How? Mr.
And you H1 I was up
Debbie ya me bana. O ya me bana. O ka so for America na ba.
America ya yes.
No am kru ba no am kru ba no.
Eh ba ni se no ba. They be okay.
You say me crew no. Papa we nyina won timi maye. The last time when me di nkoma yen kasa bi na mani ni mfra. O ka kire me so papa na makwa kire no. O papa na no so. O ka tita na o ka kire me nti enti na ama wa ba no an chedan kan kire say me bada say ana say me bada say. Enti me sra o ka kire say ma sorry o ba na ma no madro bi nti na ma da. Na o mra wa say na ma me sorry why. Stand up, Mr.
Guy there, no, before coming standing up. Yeah, you can one channel be biabo. If you are me, number one, I made you touch you. I miss up what you each one, Miss Rono. I come in there, come and go out the catching the money and more PNC.
So I fancy each one, and you are no more shade. Each one crown, or Nimna, or Nimuno, or Nimun to Mr. Mammy, who know I. Mr. Once on another from a car. No, what the fuck? This hey! That's I mean to me.
Let them in ye, I better not me my
and actually, or Baba for once or back from now.
You're the Obama, Kauna Casnoy. Now, swagger, me nim in some swagger, Papa.
Can you be answered? Oh, every day. A big crowd, boy, a doctor. Why, doctor, you bet me up a woman in no be a play bit my first one. Met me on San Juan, shit. I read them that was so would never come inside. Mr. Mammy will know.
Oh, don't worry. I know what to do.
Okay.
Hey, you care.
I go fire the antis-out this one.
I
can't, Matty. And yes, a waka cana. Can you dear Mitty if you say coco, and they are me banano? And no, I make when you go now, your papa near Junction. Intino, Mako, Meno, Beboa 9, near Co. And a petutu to Yaquaco, Marco Henadi would will be ano. Menguno. Men am wo no me na me sunsum eta na chie enti me kwa de wom bia no se de sunsum na na se honhom ne be ka kire me no menhunu se wo se me pe ba bi de ne fa me de ne be fa se wo se me de ne kompai ba me de ne be ko se wo se me de ne ko ba bia wo se me de ne kwa me de ne be ko na de wom bia no apia ma ne ho ato no akoda ukoba na ma me tufu na so ntia wanyini anya sika wa yi ti aka bibia wontia
huna na mero abu mame nye izo
ohusumi de nyo na aka nka me ko
na nakua pa ototo ni sase se ohukwe
toto ni sase aya woto ni sase ya waso ni sase dia pa na ni so ama na ni so age ni wan
na o
dia pa na ni so
ni wo ho kura akwe yompio ogigi wudi na wani asa bifura
ode wo yadan because you say why you sugar mami na dia ma no enti wo wanya bia ono so bedi no akọ adai ya no an se na amene ya no an se na amene a ya ka kira wo ka bibia kira na nakua enti ma asem adai hwedo akọfa aba akọ sa abeso ya meso me tenye wana nka me nko wusu ka me nko da me sin ka me nko da me na nakua nki ebe twene nyonyo ka me nko me say hey se me se me nko na so nti ase na ompre na abekọ a wo de mi wu a mo so ko me se me kankan ebe sie me can't come me wa me da na bo if you wait to
say o kasa do asema yes wo be kasa sa
menopause nti sa na beba ati me da na o se e bon a
o ba fa me
anopa waka anopa
be kwa e no
aso den ya kasa kire mo munti afa ni wani abere na me mama de na be ya me ba abere wa dem ate awie nya afa na me ko fa obi asem bete de ana me be ya dan betemba bi ana also so tiwo eti se me kana wa si wa ntiam temba bi o wo so kwaka unu anu na mfimi am fa ho me se me wa me kan be si
for all this while I took you for granted yeah changing yours like that yeah if your mind in makuma so yeah I took all the love you
so now you're right what the fuck is my name right here who is he
he's my husband to be
told you man that's my wife's mama I don't trust this man I don't like him.
No, you don't like me for
I don't like him. Can you be sure for me not to talk about that? Sister Mama, you don't watch you.
No, you came and met me here, yeah?
You have no idea who you were. Again, don't start with me.
I don't even know you.
Don't start right here.
Calm down. He's
talking about who is this man?
Very good to me, please.
He ain't good.
Yeah.
What makes you think you're good?
Yeah.
I told you a fake person, yeah?
Okay, no, motherfucker, don't start again.
No, I'm not starting, bro.
I will have to feel better. Don't even start with me right now.
I'm a call my killer.
I have to show my sister Mama, don't even go there with me.
Do you know my killer? King City record. AK Monday. You say, what the fuck?
Whatever. I don't hear that. Talk to me. What's going on? I'm feeling my own.
Yeah. No, you see your mom.
She can't see.
I can't see nothing.
Told you.
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me all this when I was in the States? I was a medical doctor. You should have told me about all this, though. What happened? What happened?
I don't know. I just do something in my room.
Can you let this man leave so we can talk one on one? I don't trust this man.
Why didn't you trust me? I'm always protecting her. You just tell me you don't trust me.
I trust down. I fucking trust her.
Don't use the word fucking for me, man.
You know what?
No, bro.
I came for one thing.
What?
One thing. Make sure she feel better. Kick your ass out of the house. Because you don't shit in this house. You feel me? You are a trickster. You are an idiot gold digger.
You call me names?
You fucker, that's who you are.
Don't fuck up with me, bro. When you fuck up with me, you fuck with thousands of soldiers, man.
You know what? I trusted you for a second to give a little trust.
Yeah?
Making sure that you take out my mom very well for the bullshit. I'm trusting a little bit, but don't push me though.
When I push you away, fuck you up. It's okay, man. Make one of the down now, man.
Sana.
No, they make all me.
Bra.
Me wa now ba we dey me down no ma wan hwe wa pitwo dia bo.
She dey do na ya potlo.
Na me se me won.
We so dwene me ho wai.
Ma dwene ho pa. Ka chen so nya ntoba se na me obi a me ni nipa boni.
We so Sana na potlo ma me.
What's going on here, mama?
I can't see nothing, no. I don't know.
You go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Which hospital you go?
I confirm what she.
What did it say about your eye?
Sana.
They
He told everything.
Yeah, they told me everything.
Janu, what the heck you been saying?
Hey, I'm Janu, man. I see Janu.
Janu, what does that mean, dog?
Janu, I mean, keep on.
Can you leave so I can talk to you about my family, bro? Can you leave?
I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Just talk to your mama.
Just leave.
I'm leaving, man.
Family matter. You can like fuck out. Leave now.
I'm watching.
Please calm down.
I'm watching.
Please help me.
Trust this man.
How?
I don't like him.
Oh, why? Why?
Why, Jimmy Papa?
Oh, please. Don't say that.
Who is
Don't
he?
say that to him.
So all this time, when my daddy passed away, you've been dating young men like my age? Why you do that?
It's a long story.
Long story.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's going on today? What's happening right now? You don't believe him?
Small.
Okay. So what do you want from me?
Please help me. Help me.
Okay. You see what we can do, you understand?
I know you are a doctor, so help me. If you help me, but I can see again.
I can help you one way if you get the man out of the house. Because with him here, I don't feel comfortable. He's a trickster.
It's time for her to eat, bro.
Shit, listen. Family matter. I think
No, she got to eat. She's on a medication, bro.
But don't fucking blow my head up.
No, I'm not blowing her, bro. Why you always gonna beat me?
Stand up. My shadow right now.
No, man.
Listen, let me go there.
Take my shot, man. Can you forward a guy with pop body, yeah? I'll bring my killer KCT record.
Don't mind him, please.
It's okay.
You fucking going nowhere. Speak English. I can hear what you're saying. Cause I know you fucking playing games with my mom.
I'm not playing games with her.
So what you want to go for? You just
No, she got to take her medication then eat.
She can eat shit like in my face.
No, man. That's not it.
You want to kill my mama or you have an idea about mama?
No, bro. I've given that much more respect. Never disrespect me.
What about when I see your eye? You have an agenda. This is not trust me.
Stana.
Don't trust me.
Oh, Stana, Miss Round. Dream won't cry.
You catch your eyes to eye, man to man.
They will hear this and they went to man. Don't need
That's why they call me Stana.
I'm gonna go to the state when I come back. You're gonna leave this house.
I'm gonna leave this house.
You're gonna leave this house.
Really, when you go over forgotten it will be between she and I, yeah?
Okay.
So what's your beef?
Now I know what your idea is, man. Mama, I told you about that. That man's a trickster, and he has nothing for you. He want to just kill you, take this property. And for I'm the first time my mom from society, I'm gonna take my property for this property. Man. You a piece of shit.
You're shit too, man.
Call me shit?
Fuck you. You're gonna kick my ass, man.
Hey, Radhe.
Listen, I'll take care of you.
Okay.
You have to promise me one thing.
Okay.
You're gonna kick this man out of the house.
Please, don't kill him, please.
No, I'm gonna kick his ass out of the house before I go back to the state. I'm gonna get your helper. I have a family doctors around. I'm gonna see when I'm gonna take over you. You feel me?
You go with me.
I can't go with you.
Okay.
I can't because when I go back, you know what? Let's try the couple hospitals here. Young Share hospitals. maybe they can help.